So here's my problem, you guys. I have a pile of chocolate chips.
Alright, come on.
Now I could eat them all by myself, or I could share them with you guys. Which would be better? Sharing. How would I know how to share it so it's even? Please, like if I each give you one and then I get the rest, is that fair? Alright, well then let's see, we'll come back to this. I'll see what we can come up with. But first, let's read this fraction definition together. A fraction represents a part or a whole. If a pizza has 6 slices and you eat 2 pieces, you ate how much? Yep, and if you reduce it further, it
Now
is
you're here. Do you want me to change it, clean up?
1/3. Very good.
Two.
Alright, so boys, what is a fraction? That very first question. Is it represents
What's it
part or a
down?
whole? Is it bring a number down to a smaller number? Or is it relating to tens?
No. No.
Look at that very first part of the definition. A fraction represents a part of a
Down
whole.
it. I said down.
Nailed it. Alright, reduce means to bring a number down to a smaller number. For example, there are 6 pieces of pizza, you eat 2 pieces, you ate 2/6 of the pizza. This will reduce the fraction, so it goes from
What's it down?
2/6
Yes or no?
to 1/3. Both 2/6 and 1/3 mean the same thing,
No.
but 1/3 is reducing that. Alright, what does reduce mean? Does it represent a part of a whole, bring a number down to a smaller number, or relating to tens? Reducing it means we're making it smaller. Very good. Very good. Yep, you guys are doing awesome. Decimal is relating to tens. One example of using a decimal is with money. Like if we were to write $5.10, what part is the decimal?
Which one? Idiom or
Very good. So we're saying that is, yeah, or 10 parts of a whole dollar. Alright, so then what is a decimal? This first question, what is a decimal? Is it represents a part or a whole, a number, bringing it down to a smaller number, or relating to tens?
Simile, idiom, or onomatopoeia. This one's not a touchscreen.
Nice and loud. Tell Tina.
Which one is it?
You're right.
Okay, hold on.
Yeah, relating to tens.
Good job. Emily, hurry up and stop beating around the
You
bush.
guys have seen the number line before?
Onomatopoeia.
Alright, if we put a 0 in the very middle of the number line,
Good job. Bryce, will you please stop? The tap tap of your pencils distracted me. Simile, idiom,
have you guys
or
seen this
onomatopoeia.
kind of a number line?
Okay, hold on.
Alright,
Oh, try again.
a positive number is any number that is bigger than 0.
Emily's turn.
A negative number is any number that is smaller than 0.
Those two go
0
together.
is right in the middle, it's not positive or negative. So what is a positive number? Is it represents a part of a whole, a number greater than 0, or a number less than 0?
Stop it.
Very good, very good.
Simile.
Yeah.
I'm gonna leave it in.
Alright, yep, next
You
page.
could tell the rabbit was enjoying his carrot
So then what is a negative number? Is it represents a part of a whole, a number greater than 0, or a number less than 0?
Try again. Which one?
Positive numbers, here. Positive numbers are bigger than 0. Negative numbers are less than 0. I know they're trying to trick you. Yep, Zach's got it.
If you can.
If you do that, you
Awesome job.
What's it? That.
Shoot.
I
I knew I forgot something.
I will help you, but that's
You got
going
it.
to
You
cost
started
you
your
a
work.
arm and a leg. A simile, an idiom, or an onomatopoeia. Which one is it? Simile, idiom, or onomatopoeia?
Alright, you ready for these work? Let's turn to this page. We're gonna do it together.
Right, pick one. Simile, idiom, or onomatopoeia?
Alright, which side do we start on when we're adding 3 numbers together? What side do we start on?
No change.
Which one?
That's the answers. We
What's
start
it?
Here, so we're going to first add 9 plus 5 plus 9.
Bryce,
Can you guys do that on the calculator?
The birds and their key pleats. Cilium, or simile, idiom, or onomatopoeia.
What'd you get?
Try again.
23. So here's what we do. Look, the 3 is gonna go here.
Good job. If you're going to act like a bunch of wild monkeys, take it outside.
The 3 is gonna go here. Where do we put the 2?
Which one? Pick one.
No, see, we're getting tricky. We're gonna put the 2 here,
Pick another one. Good job.
okay?
Yay.
So you got 9 plus 5 plus
Bryce,
9 is 23.
coming from that desk
We're gonna put the
through,
3 here,
When you open, it's.
and then we're gonna put the 2 up here.
Is a variable.
So now what I need you to add is 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 8. I know. Trust the process.
Sit down, please. You better watch out going outside with that wind. When you hear as light as a feather, you will be blown down. Simile, idiom, or onomatopoeia.
You should have done this.
Right
You
here.
got it, Zach? You need help. You got it? Okay. 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 8.
Bryce, he passed his test with flying colors. Cilium, idiom, or onomatopoeia.
Can I see? Close. Here, let's try this.
Try again.
2 plus 4 plus 2. What'd you get?
I wonder who is at the door.
16.
Simile,
You did
idiom,
16?
No, step face.
So same thing. We're gonna put the 6 at the bottom and the 1 at the top. Here, I'm so proud of you. Okay, now what are we going to add?
Good job. Okay, Bryce, I need a new computer. My current one is as old as a
Okay,
dinosaur.
so
A
1
simile, an idiom, or an onomatopoeia.
plus 5.
Alright, see if we can change it to a review.
Okay, plus 3. Plus 1. What'd you get?
Simile. Buzz, buzz. Whoever's
What goes up
cell
here?
phone that is, please turn it off. Simile, idiom, or
Well, wait, we gotta try that again. Well, if we're adding,
What's that?
Try
No,
it.
step face.
how is it
Got
5?
Well, until you start doing more, it's gonna stay step face, so let's do.
What's
some
it
more.
back? Yeah.
Let's do some more.
3 plus 1 equals.
Is that how you're supposed to talk to us, Lisa?
Got it? What is it?
You wanna write that on your chart and tell me that you.
You
One
are
Right, so-
pale as a white sheet.
5
Are you
plus
okay?
You don't tell me that
3,
you have to walk around.
simile,
One.
Okay,
idiom, or
What'd you get?
to clean up.
Okay, now pick.
Alright, so what number goes at the bottom here?
And Lisa,
Yeah, what goes here?
please do not.
0,
slip
good.
your nose. It is not polite. Simile,
Right.
What goes
idiom, or
here?
onomatopoeia. Let's go.
Very good.
Let's do your work.
And that 1, do we add that to anything? Alright, so then that 1
Simile,
can come
idiom,
all the way down to the
onomatopoeia.
bottom. And then bring your decimal point down to the bottom.
Can you turn off the air fryer?
Alright, so then Mary went shopping and bought a magazine for $5.49. Some makeup for $3.25 and a pack of gum for $1.89. How much money did she spend altogether?
Pick one.
$10.
That chance has already
$10.63. Which answer shows us that? Yeah, you guys are nailing it.
No, Bryce. Bryce.
Sorry.
Try again.
Alright, we got some number line math.
Sit down. Sit down first.
I'm sorry guys, I meant to fill this in first. So we're gonna start here at 10,
Good job.
11,
Bryce's turn.
12,
I sound like
13,
I have
start
a
at
frog in
10.
my throat. Assembly,
Start at
idiom,
10. I'll show you in just a
onomatopoeia.
second.
Pick one. Idiom. Try again. Good job.
Very
Emily,
good.
please make sure you have the sound turned up so I can hear the oops and the chings to know who needs help with the boo cards. simile, idiom, or
Very
onomatopoeia.
good.
Change it to a medium pace, you go to work.
So this is just like the number line I drew when we were talking about positive and negative numbers. Our number line starts at a 10, ends at 20. What number falls in the very middle? 15. So we know then if our number is less than 15, we're going to round it down to 10. If our number is greater than 15, we're going to round it up to 20. So what's our first problem? Okay, go ahead and find 13 on the number line. Where does it fall in relation to 15? Is it bigger or smaller? So which number do we round it to? So we're gonna say 10. Zach, what's our next? I'm sorry, go ahead, honey. Alright, what's our next number? Can you find that on the number line? Is it bigger than 15 or less than 15? Bigger. So we're going to round it to what number? Very good. So for this one, we're gonna write 20. And now they are asking us to add 10 plus 20 into this box. Now you can probably do it without your calculator, but you can do it with your calculator if you want to. But 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 2 is?
5.
No, close.
4.
1 plus 2 is 3.
Oh yeah, 3. Forgot.
So then if you're going shopping, and you can do this math in your head, that's the hope, you say, this top costs about $13 or about 10. These shorts cost about $20, so I'm gonna round it up to 30, and that way I know I have enough money to shop. Alright. The pizza is cut into 8 equal slices. Alex ate 2 slices of the pizza. So go ahead and shade in 2 slices like this with your pencil.
You have a set of 8, that means no big one. So let's do some work.
What's this? You.
Now we're gonna write our problem. Very good.
Okay.
The pizza has 8 slices.
Okay, you ready to work?
Alex ate, here, and then we're gonna start with the number 8. Alex ate 2 slices of pizza. Where are we gonna put that number 2? Zach, very good. What is 8 minus 2?
Equally 2, and that's 1.
Take away 2. You can use a number line too. Well, we didn't draw. What'd you get? Alright, so 8 minus 2 is,
You have to show me.
now if we were going to write that as a fraction, how much is in the whole pizza? How many slices are in the entire pizza? That's gonna go in the denominator, the very bottom. And then how many pieces did we have left? That's going to be the numerator, or the top number. So how much pizza was left after Alex ate 2 slices? You could say 6/8. Yeah, or 6 out of 8. Alright, Sophie ate 3 slices of pizza. So where's that 3 gonna go? Very good. I'm so proud of you guys. What's 8 minus 3? Very good, very good.
Oh.
What? Yep, you're right, Zach. So let's make this into a fraction.
Okay.
Take as much time as you need. I love it. I love that you wanted to do it on your own. The bottom number is going to be the entire pizza. Which, how many pieces were in it? So that bottom number is going to be 8. And then you were right, that top number is how many pieces we had left. So if I said, hey, Sophia ate 3 pieces of that pizza, how much pizza is left? You could say, yeah, there's 5/8 left. That's plenty. Alright, you guys, this will be our last question, and then we'll be all done ready to switch, okay? Good job, Zach, thank you. Alex had 2 games. Here's Alex and his 2 games. One of them broke. How could we show how many games Alex has now if one broke? He has 1, 2, one of them broke.
If he had 2,
Mm-hmm.
then somebody else gave him 2 more. You gave him 2 more.
Yeah, you're getting ahead of yourself. First off, we've got Alex and his 2 games. One of them broke. Drop big old X. That game is no longer. Alright, what was the next part of the problem?
Gave him 2.
Sophia gave him 2. And then how many games does Alex have altogether? Now, if we're saying altogether,
Oh yeah.
are we going to use addition or subtraction? All together means we're gonna add together and count. So how many games does Alex have? He has 1. Plus, how many did Sophia give him?
2. Oh, I don't know it.
What is it? How many games does Alex have? Why not? You can count them. Is that what you were thinking? Zach, what did you get? How many games? If these are the choices? 2, 5, and 3? Mm-hmm. You got it. Okay, trick question. Is 3 a positive number or a negative number? Why? Here's 0.
Oh. Okay.
Is it bigger than 0 or is it less than 0? This one. Is it bigger than 0 or less than 0? Yeah, it's bigger than 0, so that's a positive number. Alright, so we come back to the chocolate chips that I said I would share with you. How many? How many do we have? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15. 15 chocolate chips total. How many of there people are there that want to eat chocolate chips? How many people want to eat chocolate chips? There's Tanner, there's Zach, and there's Miss Michelle. 3 people want to eat. So can you do that on your calculator? Wait a second. Miss Michelle made an oops. We're saying that there's 15 chocolate chips and there's 3 people. So we're gonna say 15 divided by 3. That's what we're gonna put into our calculators. What'd you come up with? So how many chocolate chips does everybody get? That makes it fair. Are those equal parts? Can't get more fair than that. You guys are done with the math. Good job. Thank you very much. Yep. What are you spinning your finger with?